Hello everyone. Hi Capricorn. This is the reading for you 2021 yearly predictions. So I am only doing for headlines overall reading for you, not in specific. Okay, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So I am doing now only headlines. Okay, this is very quick message for you Capricorn at sign. So let's see your yearly predictions for 2021 headlines, only headlines, not in specific. So let's see your overall messages for 2021 in career and relationships, Capricorn. Under the deck, 8 of Pentacles. So your quick messages in first 4 months, first row, and middle 4 months, last 4 months. Okay, I think in first 4 months there are you may be juggling between things, between your career and relationship. Definitely there is some juggling in first 4 months, Capricorn, because the moon, first 2 months, the moon with 2 of Pentacles. Definitely there is some juggling. I think you may be working on your career also, and at the same time relationship. Something, there is a lot of drama is going in your life. In March, definitely 5 of Wands, and in April, Ace of Wands. I think you are very passionate about what you are doing. Okay, you are passionate about your work, Capricorn. In the first 4 months, definitely there is some disturbances, and think there is some confusion. What I'm getting here, because one time you are feeling very passionate about your work, and other time you are feeling very low. There are some secrets also hidden. Maybe you may be hiding something from your person, or your person may be hiding something from you in relationship. I think a lot of drama is going in March. 5 of Wands. I think two or more persons involved in this connection. I think they are maybe fighting for your attention. But April, Ace of Wands, there is a lot of passion involved in relationship and work wise also. You are very passionate about your work also. Okay, in career wise. In middle 4 months, 4 of Swords, the Lovers, Chariot, and the Magician. Wow, very crucial period for your whole year, because 4 of Swords, I think you may be not talking to anyone. You are undergoing some healing process. If you are in relationship, you are isolating from them and you are not talking to them because you are undergoing some healing process. Even though you are thinking about them, you are not talking because you are undergoing some healing process. 4 of Swords is here. Then the Gemini, definitely love is there. That's why you are thinking about your person. I think your relationship is going to be next level in the middle of the year. What I am seeing here, Capricorn. Chariot, definitely you want to take this relationship to next level. And in August month, Magician energy, definitely you are manifesting everything in your life. Literally you are in very positive energy. In middle of the year, definitely it is going to be very good for you, because you are undergoing some healing process, and then love is coming towards you, and your relationship and your career also is going to be next level. Magician, you are manifesting everything in your life, like career or relationships. Wow, very good for you in the middle of the year. In the last 4 months, definitely some communication. Your person may be spying on you. Someone is coming towards you. For some it could be a new person coming towards you. Knight of Swords is here, but you stand by your power. October, definitely you are very passionate about what you are doing. And Knight of Swords, definitely someone is coming towards you. Some important communication is going to be happening in the last 4 months. Yeah, you are investing something. You are investing your money in some businesses. Yeah, you have started something new business, or you are starting something new in your life, and you are collaborating with other persons. You are collaborating with other businesses. Definitely there is some money is coming in your way. You are collaborating something in your life. In relationship wise, one person is coming towards you to work on this relationship. Definitely they want collaboration with you, and they want to take this relationship to high level. Okay, so last 4 months is also very good for you. There is important communication and togetherness, partnership, and money wise also there is coming together. Okay, I think money is also coming towards you. First 4 months there is little up and down, but middle 4 months very very super for you, and last 4 months is also very very good for you. So 8 months or in all over area very good for you. This is very very good reading for you, Capricorn. So your person involved in this connection could be fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, especially Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe, overall energy. So overall reading, just 4 cards from the universe. Final message, Capricorn. Wow. See, 8 of Cups. I think definitely in starting of the year you may be walked away from this connection. That's why there is fighting. Your person may be fighting for your attention. Then you are thinking about your person a lot. 4 of Swords is here definitely. And Temperance. You achieved balance in this connection. And 8 of Pentacles. Definitely someone is coming back to work on this relationship, and you also working on your career and finances. 8 of Pentacles. You are very concentrate on your career, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, and someone is ready to work on this relationship, because 3 of Pentacles at end of the year, definitely they are coming back to work on this relationship. So these are the quick messages for you, Capricorn, for the year 2020. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.